Hyundai Tucson 2009 to 2015 2.4 engine. The intake camshaft position sensor is on the right side of the intake manifold on the engine block, and the exhaust sensor is on the back side of the engine. Changing this sensor is super easy. Unplug the connector, unscrew one bolt holding the sensor to the engine, then pry it up with the screwdriver and take the sensor out.